Welcome back to Mr. Tech. Today, we're excited to unveil some jaw-dropping forestry machinery and their standout features. If you're a fan of powerful machines and cutting-edge tech, hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling content. Let's dive in. Oh, the dramas of logging in the rain. They needed logs for the sawmill the next day, so despite the downpour, they had no choice but to brave the steep, slippery terrain in Ubobo. In this video, you can see Ross struggling to cart logs up a greasy hill. At first, he couldn't make it and had to carve a new track with a dozer. Eventually, they got the truck out, but not before it got bogged down 3 times in one day. Kudos to the dozer for pulling him out each time. The Cat 522B is a game changer in the woods. That elevated cab with panoramic views is like having a front row seat to nature's show. The air suspension heated seat, pure luxury. But this beast isn't just about comfort. The power and precision of the hydraulics are unreal. With 1,550 hours on the clock, this machine still runs like new. It's a testament to Cat's legendary durability. And at that price point, it's a steal. If you think hiring a professional is expensive, just wait until you hire an amateur. This old saying rings true, especially when you have a tree this close to your house. Don't be a penny pincher. Hire someone who knows how to safely take down a tree.
Oh my God.
This bulldozer's in deep trouble, sinking in the mud. The cranes arrived, but it's a dangerous job. Any misstep could mean catastrophe. They need perfect timing and nerves of steel. Can they do it? That Komatsu 895 is a monster in the woods. I've seen this beast in action, and it's like a freight train on tracks. With a 20-ton payload capacity and that massive crane, it can haul more timber than any other forwarder I've seen. Manuel Hall knows his stuff, and if he says it can move 110 tons per hour, I believe it. This machine isn't just big, it's efficient and built to last. Imagine a sawmill that can handle any log you throw at it, from the smallest to the most massive. That's the WB2000. I've watched this machine in action, and it's a sight to behold. The hum of the electric motor, the whine of the blade, the satisfying thud of a log hitting the deck. It's a symphony of industry. This isn't just a sawmill, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness the power of technology to transform raw materials into usable lumber. Wow, they calculated that this cheesy wood giant is 1,000 years old. Watching it get transported to the sawmill is both mesmerizing and bittersweet. The precision and efficiency of these wood-cutting machines are a true testament to modern engineering. But it's such a shame to see a tree that old and magnificent being cut down. A fascinating yet somber sight. Picture yourself in a forest, surrounded by towering trees, as the John Deere 2954D roars to life. With its 271 horsepower engine and advanced Timbermatic TM automation system, this machine slices through timber effortlessly, combining raw power with precise efficiency. Built with robust materials and cutting-edge technology, the John Deere 2954D is designed to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring durability and longevity while reducing operator fatigue and boosting productivity. Imagine cruising through dense forests in the Scania R540, a marvel in timber transport. With its 540 horsepower engine, this truck doesn't just drive, it conquers. Its impressive torque and automated OptiCruise gearbox ensures seamless shifting and top-notch performance, even on the roughest terrains. Built with premium materials, the R540 is designed for durability and longevity, making it a trusted partner in the toughest conditions. Its cutting-edge technology, including advanced telematics, ensures efficiency and productivity, while the comfortable cab reduces driver fatigue. Oh my God, that dirt road is incredibly challenging. Did you see the logging truck overturned in the ditch? In the second situation, it looks like the logging truck driver was too distracted by the girl in the pink shirt. The truck was carrying such long logs that it turned into a seesaw. I think that's why the temporary bridge was overloaded and collapsed. I was blown away by how that little Cranman P25 handled that big tree. It's a real powerhouse, packing a punch with its hydraulic system. And the way it effortlessly processed that timber, that's the kind of efficiency that gets the job done right. Plus, it's built like a tank. This thing is going to last. The Bandit chipper is a beast. I've used this machine on countless jobs, and it never disappoints. The engine's got the power to chew through anything you throw at it, and the feed system is so smooth, it's like the wood just disappears. Plus, it's built like a tank. This thing can handle years of abuse and still keep on chipping. Wow, that's impressive. Noble Fir is incredibly heavy. I drive a 7-axle long logger, and even at 98,000 lbs, my load sometimes looks like a half load. But with the pup, you can haul up to 105,500 lbs, even when shortened up for 28-footers.
All right, just a quick one today. You guys have a...
The Tiger Cat tree cutter was stuck, completely unable to move. Just when things looked bleak, a nearby bulldozer swooped in. With a few swift moves, they managed to free it from the trap. Harvesting eucalyptus in the rugged terrain of Tasmania is no easy task. It's incredible to see how the experienced workers ingeniously combine the use of excavators with cutting heads and chainsaws, making the process faster and safer. This teamwork and technology are a testament to their expertise and adaptability in such challenging conditions. The sun beats down on the dusty lumberyard as a logging truck pulls in, laden with freshly cut timber. Two Cat 930MN wheel loaders, equipped with milliard forks, spring into action. Their engines roar as they effortlessly lift and maneuver the heavy logs, their movements a well-choreographed dance. In a matter of minutes, the truck is empty, and the logs are neatly stacked, ready for processing. This is the heart of the lumber industry, a symphony of power, precision, and efficiency. Miraculously, the truck didn't even get a small scratch. It was like God himself stopped it with his hand. We recently added the XT445 to our fleet, and the difference in productivity is night and day. The four-way leveling system allows us to work on slopes we wouldn't have attempted before, and the machine's ability to multitask without slowing down has significantly reduced our cycle times. The operators love the cab's comfort and visibility, which helps them stay focused and efficient. This is an investment that's already paying off. Witnessing a fully loaded log truck navigating down an off-road, slippery mud hill is nothing short of nerve-wracking. The truck slid precariously on the treacherous path, a testament to the extreme danger of the job. Despite the hazardous conditions, the drivers showcased incredible skill and control, ensuring the safe extraction of wood.
我操，牛逼！又中錯啦喂！放大。嘿，查翻個收。掰嘛，来来来。这里要倒1把或2把啊，今天都拉少，因为都路太滑了。
Witnessing the Cockum's Logma 8541. The limber processor in action is like seeing a piece of engineering history come to life. Developed in Sweden in the late 1960s, this machine is a marvel of innovation. It's built on a 3-axle forwarder chassis with a delimbing unit that uses a pair of delimbing heads featuring wraparound and fixed knives, ensuring exceptional delimbing quality. The boom can extend up to 12 meters, with a stroking speed of 2.5 meters per second, handling logs with a butt diameter up to 60 centimeters. The Scania R650 V8 is more than just a pretty face. It's a testament to engineering excellence. That 650 horsepower engine is a beast, delivering the torque needed to haul heavy loads with ease. The manual gearbox offers unparalleled control, while the advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on rough terrain. This truck is built for the long haul, and it shows. Moorbark's 5048X is a testament to their engineering prowess. The Advantage 3-drum and 28-inch capacity are impressive, but it's the real-world performance that sets it apart. I spoke to a guy who ran those Model 30s back in the day, and he said those Cat V8s with 1,100 horsepower were nearly impossible to choke. That's the kind of reliability and power you get with a Moorbark. This 5048X is the evolution of that legacy. A chipper that's built to handle anything you throw at it, day in and day out.
We don't have much quota this week, so we've been hired to do a land clearing job or on and get the stumps up. But this is 5048.
In a gripping scene, amidst treacherous terrain, the challenge isn't just gravel or bauxite, it's solid rock. These logging firms should invest in better infrastructure. Laterite could transform these roads. With relentless effort aided by front and rear D6 bulldozers, the logging truck triumphs over the daunting slope. Komatsu's 931XC is a masterpiece of forestry engineering. The 8WD system with the unique double Komatsu comfort bogie drive is what sets it apart. It hugs the terrain like a glove, providing exceptional traction and minimizing ground pressure. The Maxi XT control system is a technological marvel, integrating the head, crane, engine, and transmission for optimal performance. And that Tier 4 final engine? It's not just powerful, it's also environmentally friendly. This machine is a testament to Komatsu's commitment to innovation and sustainability. Snigging with the Timberjack skidder on extreme slopes is an adrenaline-pumping endeavor. Each maneuver brings a moment of tension, reminding all to prioritize safety above all else. Wow! Witnessing the long Tatra logging truck operate on a heavy snow day, effortlessly navigating the snow-covered road was impressive. This delivery beast went on to load 45 cubic meters of timber onto its bed, with a self-loading crane like it was a piece of cake. In a jaw-dropping display, the rental Caterpillar 349F tackled massive stumps on a major clearing project, its 61-inch bucket showcasing the sheer size of the challenge. Yet, a $250,000 machine without a thumb for stumps? Thank goodness for cheap fuel. A thrilling glimpse of the T-skidder, the self-driving skidder tethered by a T-winch 30.2, showcases its ability to navigate obstacles and drive in a different direction from the winch. Far from taking away a job, this innovation offers incredible benefits over a standard skidder. It's far more maneuverable, fitting into tighter spaces, and enhances safety by venturing into dangerous areas without risking an operator's injury. People just resist new things, but this one's a game changer.